The tax implications of gifting assets to your children or grandchildren are dependent upon the amount that you are going to give. So, when we look at estate planning, there's a few different numbers that you want to consider from a gifting perspective. So, there is an annual amount for 2024 that is $18,000. What that $18,000 means is that you can gift up to $18,000 to anybody that you wanted to, where there would be no tax implication. Anything over that $18,000 would need to have a gift tax return completed by an accountant or CPA. So it's important to make sure that you are checking with tax professionals on knowing when a gift tax return needs to be completed. I will also say that for 2025, that gift tax amount is going up to $19,000 a person. So if you have 10 children and 10 grandchildren, you can gift every single one of them. So 20 different people, that $18,000 or $19,000. If you were married, you and your spouse could each gift $18,000 or $19,000, depending on the year that you're giving it, to as many people as you wanted. There is no amount of people that you would be able to not give to and get this gift exemption. So, some of the benefits to gifting while you are alive are that it's going to reduce your federal estate tax exemption amount. And so, what I mean by that is that if you are over the federal estate tax exemption threshold, which in 2024 is over $13 million per person, for a married couple, it would be double that. What that means is that if you have money that you need to get essentially out of your estate because you don't want to go over that amount, it would be a wise decision to start gifting that $18,000 for 2024 or $19,000 for 2025 annually every year to whoever you wanted to give that money to. Because what that's going to do is that's going to reduce your taxable estate amount at your passing to hopefully be under that amount of that estate tax exemption. Another option that you have for giving gifts and helping you reduce your estate amount is by actually giving money for education or medical expenses. And this has no limit when it comes to that $18,000 or $19,000 that I mentioned for the gift amount that you can do annually. But the requirement here is that you give to the education facility directly or to the medical facility directly. It can't go to the person that you want to get the education for and then they pay for it. It has to be specifically given to the education facility or the medical facility to be able to claim that exemption. When you're completing your estate plan, you have the ability to give what we call specific gifts. And so this might be gifts of money, it might be specific gifts of property, it may be percentages of your estate. But it is important that whatever those gifts are, they are properly documented so that they are clear as to what your intention is in your estate plan, whether it be through your will or your trust. It's important to make sure that the item that you are giving is very specific so that there's no ambiguities as to what is being received and also how it is being received. It's also important to make sure that whatever documents you put these in, they are not just handwritten in. These are things that are done formally in writing to make sure that they are going to be valid. If you have any questions about how to ensure that whatever gifts you want to give to your family are properly documented in your estate plan, please give us a call at Hermance Law. We are here to assist you.